Hello, welcome to C Programming Learning. Today we will understand what is binary search in C. A binary search in C language to find an element in a sorted array. If the array isn't sorted, you must sort it using a sorting technique such as merge sort. If the element to search is present in the list, then we print its location. The program assumes that the input numbers are in ascending order. So what I am going to do is today I am going to do one practical based on binary sort, or we can say binary search in C language. For that, let's start with hash include stdio.h header file, standard input output header file, and then I am going to start with integer main function. In the integer main function, I am going to declare some variables which I am going to use. So integer c, comma, I'll use first, I'll use last element, and then middle. Also I want n as the size of that, and then search, and then I'm going to declare my array with size 100 inside that. So 100 can be my maximum value or maximum size. Then I'm going to add one printf statement. So in the printf statement I'm going to write down enter the number of elements, like how much number of elements it wants. So enter the number of elements with /n. Then I'm using the scanf to assign that to the n. So we have one variable with %d. I'm going to assign with ampersand. I'm going to assign that to n because n is our size. Now I'll ask the user same, like I'll ask the user to give the data actually which lies inside the array. So I'm going to use a printf statement, and I'm going to ask the user to enter %d integer or integers with /n, comma, n. Then I'm going to use for loop for the iteration for c equals to 0, comma, c less than n, semicolon, c plus plus. For that, what you have to do is you have to assign the scanf. That means for each and every position we have to assign the entered value. So scanf %d, going properly, scanf in bracket %d, comma, and then ampersand array c. So this way we have assigned the given value to our array. Now it's time to ask the user like which value you have to find. So again I'm using a printf and asking the user enter the value to find, like which one you want to find, and then I'm going to use a /n here. After that I'll assign that value which is given by user to the search operator. So I'm going to use search here like this, and then it's time to use the binary sorting logic. First of all, I'm going to assign first equals to 0, then last equals to n-1, that we require to sort this first of all in the binary search, and middle will be always middle equals to in bracket first plus last, and that is divided by 2. So we have written this. Now I'm using a while loop, like while first is less than or equals to the last. If it is like that, then what you have to do is, again we'll start with if if array middle means middle element of array, if array middle is less than search, so we are at the middle position. If array is less than search, first equals to middle plus 1 plus 1. So we will start with the next middle half now here. Else if what we have to do, if array middle, else if array middle, that means that element equals to search, is equals to search, then what you have to do is you have to printf the location. If it is not in the first half, it has to go to the second half, or else if it is founded in the first half of your array, then you have to show the location. %d is %d found at location, again one more %d with /n, comma, first %d is for search, second will be middle plus 1, like this. And then you have to break this, like this, we have to break this. This is the extra one. Else you have to do last equals to middle minus 1, and middle equals to again first plus last divided by 2. This is done till here. If again first is greater than last, if it is like that, then printf that percent or we can say the value not found in the array, that we have to write down, because we must write down both the results, that if it is finding or if it is not, comma, search, and then most importantly written 0. So here what we have done, we have declared some variables which we want to use in our program. Then we have asked the user to enter the number of elements, then we have asked the elements, then we started like we can say allotting those elements to our array. Then we asked the user to which value you want to found, and we assigned to our search variable. Then we have sorted this array by assigning first, last and middle variable value, and by using while and if loop we have written this program for searching that element. If first is greater than last, that means if we have reached till the last element and if it is not founded, then we have to write down or we have to print this line that we have not founded the given value. So we will save this file as binary.c, and then we are going to build this file. So here it must be hash, again we'll build this as build finished with 0 error. We will run this. So first of all it will ask to enter the number of elements. I am going to use 4 will be the size. Now it will ask you to enter 4 integers. Now I am going to use 2, 7, 8, 9, and then it will ask the value to find. I'll find out 9. It is showing that 9 is found at a location 4. So it is showing us correct. Now we'll use for one more time, we'll run this. This time I'll use 5. Now I'm putting 5 values. I'm also putting negative values, and I'll ask you 12. So it is showing that value is not found in the array because I have not written 12 here. So this way you can use a binary search also. So first of all, it will sort the given array by using this technique, and then it will find out the value which you would like to find out. I hope you understood today's program of binary search. Thank you.